You ready for your school? Hmm?
Look at my seatbelt.
Okay, I'll take it off for now. Let me see. Hold this right here.
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, go ahead and jump off.
I got my phone.
You want to put it on your backpack?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go outside?
Alright. Hold on. Come on, let's go. Take her.
Put this in your pocket.
Okay. Grab mommy's hand.
No, this side.
Yep. This is gonna be your first day.
And I'm gonna make
Your first day of preschool.
I'm gonna make so much friends.
Yeah. You're gonna make a lot of friends.
But is it because I'm gonna go outside?
Okay. Look at me, Ariel. Yeah, you happy?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.